Hello dear viewers, heartiest welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are well. On our Himachal Pradesh tour, we are now in Shimla. Shimla is the capital and the largest city of the northern Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Most of the area occupied by present-day Shimla city was dense forest during the 18th century. It is now the principal commercial, cultural and educational center of Himachal Pradesh. Today is 25th November 2024. Time is 1:45 p.m. After visiting Tara Devi temple, we are now in Himalayan Nature Park. The Himalayan Nature Park or Kufri Zoo is an extremely green space filled with trees like deodar, fir, blue pine and spruce, dedicated to the conservation and welfare of wildlife. The park is situated about 18 kilometers from Shimla at an altitude of 2,600 meters above sea level. It is located amidst 90 hectares of temperate vegetation that forms a natural habitat for many wild animals of the western Himalayas. This park is one of the most popular and favorite tourist spot in the area. It is home to various endangered and rare species of flora and fauna. Some of the species found here are snow leopards and musk deer. The natural habitat of the nature park has been used to house selected Himalayan animal species primarily for the purpose of educating visitors. However, the animal enclosures here are big enough to provide an opportunity for the wild animals to be near their natural habitat. The animals are here given the opportunity to relax after their morning meal behind a shrub or a large boulder, or even to hibernate during winter. Walkways in the nature park help the visitors to appreciate nature in its most serene self. While inside the nature park, one can also enjoy, on a clear day, a breathtaking view of the entire range of the Himalayas' snow-clad peaks. It is a must-visit place if you are in Kufri and have kids below 12 years. It has few animals like leopards, wild bear, black and brown, big birds, and few other animals. Lots of enclosures were empty, but I would recommend you to visit the zoo. Although a limited number of animals and birds are available, but the environment provided to them is great. One will enjoy the walk within the park. In conclusion, it can be said that the Himalayan Nature Park or Kufri Zoo is a wonderful and worthwhile destination for anyone who loves wildlife and nature. The zoo offers a rare and exciting opportunity to see some of the most magnificent and endangered animals of the Himalayas, as well as to enjoy some fun and adventurous activities in the scenic and serene surroundings. The zoo is open from 9:30 am to 5:30 pm in winter and 9 am to 6:30 pm in summer. It is closed on Tuesdays. There is an entry fee of rupees 30 for adults and rupees 20 for children. The zoo can easily be reached from Simla via car in about 35 to 40 minutes. That's all about Himalayan Nature Park. If you are in Simla, it is a must-visit place with kids. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel to enjoy new videos at different places. Stay safe and fine. Keep others happy. Coming soon with a new video. Till then, goodbye.